Today, we're going to build Slave 1 using 4 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
Because this micro build only has 4 pieces, I think the colors are really important. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with this 1x2 jumper plate in a dark red for the bottom of Slave 1. And then we're going to get a 1x1 tile in the sand green color. And when I put the tile on the jumper plate, I want those clips to be on the front and back of the jumper plate so that there's kind of the hole on the side. The next thing I'm going to do is grab this 1x1 round plate with the bar handle on the end in a light bluish gray and just stick that bar handle onto the tile clip like this. And then we've kind of got the whole body of Slave 1. You know, we could stop there, but I wanted to add like a cockpit to the front here. So when he's like flying through space, you've got that glass for him to look at. So we're going to get a 1x1 round tile piece in the translucent black and just put it right there on that stud of the handle. And here is Slave 1 for Boba Fett to go looking for his bounties.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.